Hello. Alright, man. So that got you with a Sofaygo video, you feel me? And let me take a sip of my water for these niggas that watch my video and don't subscribe. Like, let me show y'all. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it, you feel me? Straight Benny. But I already recorded and shit, right? You feel me? I recorded. Now I'm about to show y'all what the Adlib hit for, you feel me? That's what we doing today. We working on Adlib. So, we gonna go ahead and go to like Adlib. We gonna go to Adlib 2. We going to 2. Alright, bye-bye. Straight slime, like we straight slime shit, you feel me? Like, I don't know what type of Adlib I'm gonna do for Sofaygo, but we gonna get it in, you feel me? Let's do it.
But that shit'll X me.
I was sipping lean, damn it. I was sipping lean.
But that shit'll X me.
I was sipping lean, damn it, made me lean. But don't try to run from me, but don't try to run from me, but it's going through your from me, but it's going but it's going through your spleen. They say 80 did it through your spleen. They say 80 but it's going through your spleen. They say 80 did it through your spleen. They say 80 did it I'm like, yeah, I did my thing. They say 80 did it I'm like, yeah, I did my thing. I'm like, yeah, nigga. Yeah, I did my thing. I'm like, yeah, nigga, okay. Yeah, nigga, okay. Yeah, nigga, okay. Yeah, bitch, okay. Better get the fuck on my face. Yeah, nigga, okay. Yeah, bitch, okay. Better get the fuck up on my face. Yeah, bitch, okay. Better get the fuck up on my face. My face. Better get the fuck up on my face. My face. My face. My face. My face. Straight Bennett, nigga. Little brain, can you offer me some knowledge?
Girl, I need that knowledge.
Our little brain, can you offer me some knowledge? Some knowledge.
But that shit'll X me.
Knowledge. Smiling. I got inside you, girl. I know I left you smiling. Girl,
cool, girl. You know I left you smiling. We on preset 3. I would say I'm gonna do preset 3 next. You coulda did 1 with Faygo Lips 1. Go ahead. We're gonna go ahead and do 3 though.
Shit'll X me.
I was sipping lean, damn it, made me lean. But don't try to run from me, but it's going through your spleen. They say 80 did it.
Oh, shit, I'm supposed to be fucking ass.
That shit'll X me.
I was sipping lean, damn.
That shit'll X me. But that shit'll X me.
I was sipping lean, damn it. I was sipping lean, damn it, made me lean. Damn it, made me lean. But don't try to run from me, but it's going through your spleen. They say 80. Fuck up on my face, my face, my face. I love the brain, can you offer me? I love the brain, can you offer me some knowledge? Some knowledge.
But that shit'll X me. But that shit'll X me.
I got inside you, girl. I know I left you smiling. Girl, I know. I got inside you, girl. I know I left you smiling. Girl, I got inside you, girl. I know I left you smiling. Girl, I know you smiling. Girl, I know you would like me, cause I know you like my swag too. My swag too. My swag too. Girl, you
nothing cool. Not a thinger. Not a damn thing. Not a damn thing, baby. I'm just go ahead and show y'all the preset, cause a lot of y'all niggas was complaining about that shit, fam. Y'all was telling me the link ain't working, So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what the fuck it is. I'm also link it down, and I'm also link it down below. You feel me? Y'all feel me? Alright. I'm tripping, cuz. Alright, you feel me? Straight haircut, right? Look, nigga, look. Shit. Alright, right? Alright, that's for Fago Nig, alright. Let's go Fayo. With Fayu, whatever the hell I wanna call it, you feel me? But look, I'm trying to tell you, look. Alright. Another tip, you feel me? Like you can't get it exactly on the dot, you can just type that bit in, click on it, you can type that bit in. Real shit. Alright, you know what I'm saying? They Fago Lil Wayne. You how this shit sound. No cap. All these when you auto-tune too. Real shit. Even though I'm gonna link all these shit down below, I'm going out the way to do this for y'all niggas, bro. That shit fucked up. Like y'all niggas is like, y'all really just hate me because y'all be asking me to do shit, but y'all don't be subscribed to me because real shit, I don't understand that fact. Like what the fuck be going? I don't know what the fuck I got going, but like that ain't cool, bro. You don't need to watch my full video. You just go to the skip part. Go look what the hell you need to look. You feel me? But like, you know what I'm saying? It's cool though, bro. Cause when I get up there, nigga gonna be like, nah, bro, I was watching him from the beginning. You know what I'm saying? This and that, this and that.
Fuck that shit up, X me.
I was sipping lean, damn it, made me lean. But don't try to run from me, but it's going through your spleen. They say 80 did it thing. I'm like, yeah, I did my thing. I'm like, yeah, nigga, okay. I'm like, yeah, nigga, okay. I'm like, yeah, bitch, okay. Better get the fuck up on my face. My face. My face. I would love the brain, can you offer me some knowledge? Some knowledge.
Fuck that shit up, X me.
I got inside you, girl, I know I left you smiling. Girl, I know you would like me, cause I know you like my swag too. My swag too. My swag too. Girl, you know I bagged you. Girl, you forward like a tattoo. Sliding on this block, I bet it. Mama need some tissue. The way we split this block, I didn't knock up the way front too.